Hi friends, I'm Atharva Saxena. In this video, I'm gonna show you or showing you, it has already been shown that this is one of the world's most faded and hardest Rubik's Cube to turn. So this is one of my oldest Rubik's Cube that I'm having. So yes, so first you can see that the colors in this Rubik's Cube are so much faded, so you can't even identify if this is the white one or this is the yellow until it is being solved. See the whiteness of the pieces of this Rubik's Cube. So it is so difficult, especially the center pieces. So let's shuffle it up. So here you can see that it was so hard to even shuffle this Rubik's Cube. So as you can see that the pieces are now being shuffled. So how can we now identify which is the white and yellow? So it is somehow clear that this is yellow and this is white. So let's now try to match it over. So here I can see that here is some yellowish over here and red, so it must not be the piece to come over here. It is white and orange, so it can match over faster. Yeah, it is now matched. Now finally the other middle pieces, I think this is white and blue, so matching it over here. The two middle pieces are being matched with the first layer. Now I think this is white and red. Yes, so I have matched it over. Now remaining with the white and green. So white and green, I think this is the white and green. So let's try and match it. So I have matched it over here. Now the corner pieces, this is white, orange and green, matching it over. Now white, blue and red. Here we can't apply the fastest method because we don't know which is the piece of the corner. So we have to first identify which of it is. So yes, so this first layer is being completed. Now remaining with the second and the third layer. So as you can see in the second layer, we are having orange and blue already at its place, but it is overturned. So let's now do it and match it correctly. So we have done it. Now we are having red and green. So red and green over here, matched it in the second layer. So now green and orange, the colors are so faded to even identify them. Only the pinch of the color is remaining. See, so light the colors are. Now blue and red we are having over here. So now matching it with it. Now you're having only the yellow centerpiece over here. So now the L algorithm, L has been observed. So here I have got a line. So faded these colors are, as you can see. Only the pinch of yellowish is over here. See, this is the yellow colors of this piece. So much faded. Yeah, so now we have got a plus. These are the pieces, and these are the pieces, and the blue and orange are matched only. So performing the right side algorithm, we have all the 4 colors matched. Now the corners remaining of the third layer. Okay, so now we are performing the algorithm to bring this corner from here to here. So now, okay, so it is blue over here, blue, orange and yellow to come over here. So this piece will come over, so we will start the algorithm from here. Okay, so I think this is bit difficult. Yes. So this is the difficulty level. Oh, the cube is once again only this corner piece. I think something is wrong. What is wrong? I don't know. Oh, solving it again. Yes, now it is being correct somewhere. Yeah, now I have got correct. And now this Rubik's cube is being solved. So as you can see, this was so hard to solve, to move also. See, the frequency of moving the pieces is so hard, and in this cube it is so smooth. See, so smooth, and this cube is so hard. What am I doing? I even don't know. So this was the Rubik's cube, the faded and one of the world's most hardest of moving of the Rubik's cube. So if you like the video, press the like button, subscribe my channel, comment below how this Rubik's cube is, and till then, goodbye.